Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to show you this installation that we've carried out on this bright red VW Up. So what we've upgraded this particular vehicle with is a new radio system. So what we've changed this factory system to is a double DIN radio. The reason why we're doing this video is because of the amount of work that's involved to do this actual install. So there's quite a lot of cutting away at the dashboard that you have to do, because as many of you may look, if you're looking into this, is you'll see a heating control panel above. What we've done is relocated that down, which we'll show you in a minute. We're going to step inside the vehicle, talk you through exactly how this install gets carried out. So we're now inside this particular vehicle. So what we've got is this gloss finish on the dash. We either do the matte finish or the gloss finish in terms of the fascia surround. So what we've added in is a customer's own supplied JVC radio. We've supplied all the fascia panels and done the install, whereas they've just supplied the actual unit themselves. We also can do supply of the units as well. But what we've got is a completely flush piano black gloss finish fascia, which looks the part. And also what we've done is relocated the heater controls. Heater controls are normally up in this top section of your factory radio. That's all being changed and moved down to a lower piece. It's all a permanent fixing. This system is not a reversible system. So once this is done permanently. You can only change the radio to different aftermarket radios. So if you're interested in something like this, feel free to get in touch with one of our team. We've got the old radio here, which is where you've got your heating controls, which normally sits into the dash like that. So this has now got digital radio, Bluetooth, Android Auto as well. But depending on spec of the radio, you can upgrade that to exactly what spec you would like. So thank you very much for watching this short video on this VW Up that we've upgraded the radio in. If you're interested in getting something like this installed in your vehicle, feel free to get in touch with our team. All our work gets carried out from our workshop facilities in Cambridge, but we've got loads of options if you are travelling from a bit further afield to us. So thank you again for watching our short video. Please don't forget to like and share this particular video, as well as subscribe to us on YouTube, but also give us a follow on Facebook, Instagram, as well as Twitter. So look forward to upgrading your car soon. Thank you.